You know that feeling. The clink of a heavy purse of gold after a successful quest. The kingdom is safe, the king is happy, and you are ready to live. That was me, Sir Galant, slayer of beasts, protector of the realm, and financially, a complete disaster. It all came crashing down one rainy Tuesday. I was at the market, trying to buy a new whetstone. A simple thing. I reached for my purse and felt a hole, not a metaphorical one, a real, physical hole. And through it, nothing but lint and regret. But a real dragon showed up at my gate. Cedric from the Guild of Moneylenders. He smiled, more than a crocodile. He unrolled a scroll longer than my sword. Sir Galant, unpaid loan for the victory feast. Unpaid loan for the dragon-slaying celebration armor. Compound interest is a beast. Sir Knight, pay up in a fortnight, or the castle is ours. My castle. My family's home for 10 generations. Lost because I couldn't tell the difference between a want and a need. But that was the moment. The moment I decided to fight back. Not with a sword, but with a plan. I went to the wisest person I knew. Old Mary, the keeper of the royal scrolls. She didn't give me gold. She gave me something better, a system. She called it the King's Ledger. The rule was simple. Every single gold coin has a job to do before you even think about spending it. First, we wrote down every coin coming in. My salary from the king. Not much, but enough. Then we gave every coin a mission. We started with the non-negotiables, the castle fortification fund, the stable and Squire sustenance, the Guild of Moneylenders tribute. This money was gone from my mind the second I got it. Allocated, protected. Then, the magic happened. What was left we split. The dragon-slaying equipment fund, the future quest fund, and finally, a small but glorious pile for the Tavern in Triumph treasury. I won't lie. The first feast I skipped hurt. Watching my friends buy the latest, pointiest helmet stung. But you know what felt better? Sleeping at night? You know what felt even better? Watching Cedric the moneylender's smile fade as I made my payments. On time, every time. It wasn't an overnight spell. It was a slow, steady march. But within a year, the hole in my purse was gone. The hole in my finances was healed. And my castle, still mine. The dragon of debt is slain. The castle is secure. And it wasn't a magical sword that did it. It was this simple scroll. It was the power of a budget. Because a knight who controls his gold is truly the master of his own kingdom. So, if you like this story and want more like this, click the subscribe button for more.